Okay, there is a problem in my learning virus, so it might get cut in between. Okay, let me just share this screen first. Can you see the white screen? Can you see the white board? So in this class, we discuss about non-deterministic finite automata or NFA. So NFA is just like your DFA, just that vanishing function is different. In case of DFA, conditional function means from one state you take one input and it goes to another state. But in case of NFA, conditional function is when you are in one state, then you take one input symbol, it can go to multiple states. Therefore, it is 2 power of 3. Okay, like in DFA, from for input symbol 1, it can go to just only one state. It cannot go to the multiple state. But in case of NFA, from Q1, by taking input symbol 1, it can go to multiple states. Okay, if there are 3 states, for example, here, it can go from Q1, it can go to any state. It can make a self loop, it can go to here, it can go to here using same input symbol. Therefore, it's more like you have a choice to move on to a next state using just one input. So there is no restriction. Therefore, it is non-deterministic in nature. And we also discussed the difference between NFA and DFA. The main difference is in the transition function. Then multiple choices are available in NFA. In DFA, it is not allowed. You cannot move to different state for one input symbol, just one state. In NFA, epsilon move is allowed, but in DFA, epsilon move is not allowed. Means you cannot go to any state without reading an email. Okay, in NFA, you can go to any state with just epsilon move or null move. Then another flexibility about NFA is that it allows dead configuration. That means it is okay if you do not make any transition for all the input symbols. So if you have just 2 input symbols, it is fine if you are not showing the transition from one state. For example, this is a DFA. For every input symbol, you need to go in one state, right? If it cannot go to the final state, at least you make a dead state so that the other input symbol goes to or transit to somewhere. Okay, in case of NFA, it is fine even if you don't make a transition for each and every input symbol. Okay, like here for Q1, if input symbol is A and B, we didn't show the moves or where is it going by taking input symbol A and B. But in case of DFA, it is must that if you have 2 input symbols, you must show the transition for both the input symbols. And from one state, in case of NFA, you can go for multiple states, which is not allowed in here. So designing NFA is much more easier than DFA. We also discuss some of the examples. Another important point we discuss is that every NFA is not DFA. However, we can convert every NFA to DFA. Therefore, for every NFA, there is an equivalent DFA. But every DFA is NFA. Okay, let's see some more examples today, and we will see how we can convert NFA to DFA. Let's say we have to make strings ending with A. Normally, we will get input symbols either in terms of A and B or in terms of 1 or 0. So if we need to find a string that will end with A, that means what can be the language? First is single, then there can be multiple number of A's, A, and A again. Then there can be multiple number of B's, then A again. Then there can be any combination of A, B, or B, A, B, A, B, 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 any combination of A. But it should end with A. Now, we can also express a regular any language in terms of regular expression. Okay, so this part we can also represent as A plus B star and A. Means the string will end with A, so there cannot be anything after that. String should end with A. Then before A, there can be anything. There can be any permutation and combination of A and B. So this plus symbol says or. It can be A or B or any combination. So it can be just A, it can be only B, 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 or it can be A, B, B, A, any permutation and combinations of input symbol A and B. So this language we can represent like this also. This is called regular expression. We have a different chapter for whole regular expression. Okay. So how can you design an equation? So minimum string is just A. So if you start from one input symbol, means state, you can just go to the final state by reading A and go to the final state. So ending with A. Now there is nothing after A. There is nothing after A. String should end with A only. So here we don't need to add anything, right? Because string should end with A. So for Q2, we don't need to make the transition for A and B. But in case of DFA, remember for Q2 also we have to make the transition for A and B. And for that, we also make that state sometimes. Okay, but here it is allowed, that configuration is allowed, so no problem. So before A, there can be any combinations of A and B. So we can just make a subgroup A and B. So this is the NFA for strings ending with A. Clear? Is this one clear? Let's wait. Okay. If your string needs to end with A, what can be the possible string? The minimum string will be simply A. Minimum string will be just A. The string is ending with A. Now after that, before A, there can be anything. It can be 2A, it can be 5A, or 8A, or hundreds of A, 200s of A, doesn't matter. Similarly, before A, am I still there? Hello? Am I audible? Am I still audible to you guys? Yes, right. Can you see the whiteboard? Okay. I don't know what is wrong with the again. I'm not sure even if the laptop will be still there. It might get corrupt. Yeah, so string should end with A. Okay, so before A there can be anything. There can be multiple number of A's, and similarly there can be multiple number of B's. Then again before that there can be any combinations of A, B, D, A, anything. Just the condition with that the string should end with A. So this thing we can do this from one step. You will always start from the minimum string, right? Minimum string is A. That means from the initial state, if you read the input symbol A, you are going to a final state. Now, here we don't need to put anything actually. Why? Because string should end with A. So here string is just ending with A. Therefore, we don't need to show any transition for Q to state for input symbols A and B, because that configuration is allowed here. Now before A there can be any combinations, so you can just make a self loop here and put it A and B. So in this A, suppose 3A is, so 1A, 2A, 3A, it is accepted. And if you want B, 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 A, then B, 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 A, so it is also accepted. Suppose you have to accept B, A, B, A. So now A, then again B, then again B, then you can take A, again B, then A. So you take any string, it will always end with A. Okay. So this type of the whole language we can represent like this with the regular expression. Regular expression, there's another chapter. We will discuss that also. In this telling you guys that we can represent this whole thing like this. String should end with A, so A is a must. Then after that there won't be anything. Okay. But before A, there can be any combinations of A and B. So we can represent it as A plus D. The plus symbol will represent all. A भी हो सकता है, B भी हो सकता है. So A plus B star. Now, if you want to draw a DFA for A, this one is not allowed. Right? Something must stay. You cannot go to both Q2 and Q0 cell. You cannot go to multiple states using this one instance. What was the DFA for string ending with A? For example, Q0, Q2, this is the final state. A is done. Now what will happen if it's B? You have to make another state. Okay, you can make B here. Okay, so any string, it will just NA. From here again, from Q loops, you have to show the condition for A and B. Right? So again, you have to, since it should end with A, after that there should not be anything. But in case of DFA, you must show something. Where is it going for every input signal? For that, you must have to draw a dead state for A or B maybe, or you can also write A or B. Okay. So if you want to draw anything, means for a particular language, if you are asked to draw an automata, it's up to you whether you want to design NFA or DFA. Both is correct. If no one mentions. If someone says you have to draw an finite state automata for strings ending with A, then it is up to you what you want to design, because NFA and DFA is equivalent, right? You can also represent it with NFA, you can also represent it with DFA. So if it is not mentioned, you can do anything. But if someone particularly mentions that you have to use draw NFA or DFA, then yes, you have to draw it accordingly. I know not Oh, sebentar her. Okay. Next, let's see another example. It accepts binary strings. It contains 00 or contains 00 or 1 1 as subsequent. Okay. Here also input symbol is 0 and 1. So what's the condition this time? String should contain 00 or 1. Okay. Any of them should be correct. But we have to make provision for both. Okay. So what we can do, so as you know, substring should contain 00 and 1. From Q0, the minimum string will be 00 and 1. Right? Substring containing 00 and 1. So minimum string will be 00 and 1. After that, it can be anything 100 111, anything, doesn't matter. Okay. आगे क्या है, पीछे क्या है, we don't know. It can be any permutation combination of 1 and 0. Just that there should be 2 zeros together and 2 ones together. Okay. So for that, what you can do, example Q0, you are taking 1 0 into a statement here, then 0, can make it a minus statement. Q And here also make a step 1 and 1. Okay, this is the initial state. So what's happening here? If you start from state Q0, the both condition is satisfying and the string will contain 0, 0. Then it will reach to the final state, and it can also contain 1 and 1 and can reach the final state. Right? So both conditions are true. 0, 0 here, 1, 1 here. Okay. Now, as I mentioned earlier, what's before 0, 0 and what's after 0, 0. Okay, it can be the combination of any string. It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 1, 0, 0, multiple number of 0, multiple number of 1, anything. So what we can do, ending also it can be any combination, and in initial state also it can be combination of anything. So now your condition is satisfied. Right? String should contain 0, 0 and 1, 1. What's before and what's after, it can be any combination. So the minimum string length is 0, 0 and 1, 1. So for that you have provided, you just take the provision for both. If you take this rule, the string will contain 0, 0. If you take this rule, the string will contain 1, 1. It's a or. Right? Then what is before that? It can be any condition, and what's after that? It is again any condition. So you can just put a self loop here, and your MFA is done. Is this one clear? Any problem says 0, 0 or otherwise, we shall implement example. At any point just 0, 0, otherwise 1, 1 check. हाँ, दोनों provision either 0, 0 or 1, 1. Now you cannot keep just 0, 0 because the condition is there might be some string which contains 1, 1 also. So you have to keep the provision for both 0, 0 and 1, 1. So आगे पीछे क्या है पता नहीं ना, कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है. So फाइनल स्टेट में भी एक सेल्फ लूप डाल दो, कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन चल जाएगा, और इनिशियल स्टेट में भी एक सेल्फ लूप डाल दो, कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन चल जाएगा. जस्ट दैट बीच में आइदर 0, 0 रहेगा और नहीं तो 1, 1 रहेगा. तो दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करके तुम्हें एनएफए कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक, ठीक. Address okay, good. Okay, let's see another example. Are you getting the difference between NFA and DFA? See, from Q0, using input symbol, you are going to put Q1 and Q0. But in DFA, it is not allowed. For every input symbol, you have to transit to a different state only. For that, we always make that state, because that configuration is not allowed in DFA. That configuration is allowed only in case of NFA. Okay, let's see another example. Sometimes they can give questions like just a regular expression and you need to draw the NFA. Okay? The questions might come like this also. Draw NFA for this regular expression. Okay. Now what does it mean? For plus symbol, I already mentioned plus here will be off. So this you can say it will accept a string. यहाँ पे any combinations of A is possible or there will be a substring of AB. Okay, AB. There will be a substring A or there will be a substring AB. And again, it can be any combinations of A or AB. So substrings will be either A or AB. Means you have to keep provision for both. Now A star means what? It can be single A, double A, multiple A's or any number of A's. It will also include epsilon also because it's a clean star. Clean star. So epsilon is also possible. Okay, without taking anything also you can go to the final state. Similarly, AB can be also like single AB. There can be ABAB, 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 then multiple numbers of ABAB, AB like this. So minimum string is what? For this condition, minimum string is A, and for this condition, minimum string is AB. Okay, so draw accordingly. So Q0, if I read one input symbol, it will go to a final state. So minimum string A is done, correct? After taking one input symbol, it is going to the final state. Correct. Now again I said empty string is also possible. That means what? I can also make the initial state as the final state. That means what? Without reading anything also means with the length empty string also it can reach the final state. Okay. And after taking one input symbol which is A, we can go to the final state. Now what is A? There can be 2A, 3A, 4A, multiple numbers. So for that you can just make a circle here and this part is done. Okay. This part is done. So with this part there can be empty string, there can be 1A, there can be 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. Okay, this part is done. Now we have the options. There can be AB star also. That means minimum string should be AB. So you make a state Q2, Q, P. So A and B. Correct. Minimum string is AB. Again, it is satisfying the same condition. Epsilon is possible. So in the final state itself, it is reaching the final state. Its initial state is the final state. Then minimum string is AB. So you read A and B and it reaches the final state. Okay. Now you see AB star. That means AB can be in any combinations. AB, 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 ABs, then 3 AB and 4 and so on. So how we can do it? A, B. Now if you make a condition here, isn't it satisfying the condition? A, B. Final, it reaches the final state. After that, it can be multiple numbers of AB, right? Again, A and B reach the final state. Again, A and B is the final state. Again, A and B is the final state. So from this part, this condition is satisfied. Okay, so this is your NFA, which will accept a regular string A star plus AB star. इस पार्ट से ये वाला कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो गई. Plus है, that means or. That means we have to keep the provision for AB part also. So for this also minimum string is AB. So simply do state flow and it will reach the final state A and B minimum string. Now we have another AB, multiple numbers of AB. So you put a string here, then AB, whatever, how many, doesn't matter how many ABs are there. It will continue in the loop, and after reading A and B only, it will reach the final state. Got it? Subtraction या division use नहीं, subtraction and division use नहीं होता है because this is just the symbol for and or. It is not something like you are doing mathematical operation. So subtraction and division is not there. But sometimes you might get the dot product. Okay, we will come to that part in next chapter actually. But plus sign means only or, and normally dot symbol represents and. There is no subtraction and division. This is not multiplication. Okay. Plus means or. A भी हो सकता है, or there can be a substring of AB also. The same thing, this part, how you can represent 0, 0 and 1, 1 with regular expression. 0, 0 will be there, right? Then there can be any combinations of 0, 1 star. There can be also any combination of 0, 1 star, 1 substring. Then we have also provision for 11. Okay, or you can directly write it as star 0, 0 plus 1, 1 and 0 plus 1 star. This means what? The substring will contain either 0, 0 or 1, 1. फिर आगे पीछे can be any combinations of 0 and 1. That's why 0 plus 1 stars. Okay. So if sometimes they don't give the expressions like in language that strings that contain 0, 0 or 1, 1 as substring, they can also give you a regular expression. Then don't just get confused. Okay. That's why I'm showing the example using both. So you should know how to decode the condition, then construct the ending. So if someone simply gives you that it contains 101 or it should end with A, it should end with B, means in language. Okay. Then also you should know how to construct NFA, and sometimes in exams they can also give the regular expression and construct the NFA. Then don't get scared. Okay. Just decode it. What can be the possible substrings? Okay, इसलिए मैंने दोनों एग्जांपल दिखा दिए. So यहाँ पे means क्या हो रहा है? Any combinations of A and any combinations of AB, A or AB. String that will contain A or AB as substring. A or AB as substring. So this one you can draw like this. Is this one clear? So in next class, we will see how to convert NFA to DFA. Okay. As I mentioned, BNFA is not DFA, but we can convert it to a DFA. And when we will convert NFA to DFA, you will know why exactly designing DFA is more complicated than constructing NFA. Okay. You will always need more states compared to NFA. In DFA, there will be more states than NFA. For example, if in an NFA there is n number of states, then to convert it to a DFA, you will need almost 2 power n states. So number of states in DFA is much more than. We will discuss about that in next class. Stop sharing. Okay, that means I hope I'll the recording and for why attendance is so low. Only 14 students out of 22.